Hi, good morning. It's Paul. February 6, 2019. Let's take a look at what's going on in our market today. Greater Las Vegas real estate update. We have lowest priced $82.9. One bedroom, two bath with a garage. Look at that. $82.9. Interesting. Just came on the market. Two pictures is all it is. As is, no legal ramifications there. And let's see, where is this little sucker? No wonder. It's in another state. It says Las Vegas here. It sure isn't mapping to Las Vegas. What does this say? Lake Forest. It's showing Texas. That is interesting. Well, let's see, let's not do this. I'll do that later. Okay. Okay, now. What's the highest priced one listed today? $2 million. This nice contemporary house. Pretty nice, huh? $2 million. And it is Grand Hills. It's right here in Seven Hills. Nice. Okay, cool. 6,100 square feet, 2008 construction. Okay, then yesterday we have this little condo. Little messy condo. Oh well. There's always a buyer for it. For $69.9. 750 square feet. And it is Twain and Swenson. We're by the university. Good little rental unit there. Then for the highest price yesterday, we have one here on Haven, $2 million, another $2 million listing. Nice little Mercedes. Nice house. I like that picture. That's a nice picture. Built in 2008, 5,500 square feet, and it is Las Vegas Boulevard and Wigwam. So pretty close to the office here. Good deal. Alright, then we'll go back to this date. It's $88,000, two bedroom, two bath condo, 640 square feet. Looks pretty clean. Could use better photography, but you know, that's the way it goes. Okay. And it is over on Tropicana and Eastern. Another centrally located. The university is right over here, so a nice little rental unit there for $88,000. Go back, go to the highest priced one from 2 days ago. And we have $3.5 million. Contemporary house. Pretty nice, looking out at the hillside there. Beautiful kitchen, big pantry, nice laundry room, nice pool, nice area here. And it is clear over in the southern part of Summerlin. Alright. So what else do we have here? We now have 482 properties in contract. 180 reported sold in the last couple of days. They range anywhere from, let's get rid of this thing. Okay, 110 today to 314, 582, there we go. Yesterday, 61,000. Whoops. 61,000 to 863. Bet you're wondering what 863,000 will buy in this town. There you go. It's like a fairly new house. Nice little view out there. No landscaping in the backyard yet. Looks like possibly a strip view there. Golf course there. There's a strip view. A little blow up from this. So that's upstairs. See, there's the roof line there. So 863 for that. 4,200 square feet, almost 43, 5 bedrooms and 4 baths, 3-car garage. It was on the market a long time, 325 days. Okay, well that is what's going on in the Las Vegas market today, and hope everybody's doing well. Have a good day. Talk to you tomorrow.